I've worked in a few larger companies and I've worked in a few smaller companies as well. Western States is kind of right in the middle of that. We're a good sized company. We're still family owned, but we have all the benefits that you would expect from a large company. We do profit sharing. We have 401k, health insurance, dental insurance, life insurance. Those things that you see from larger companies, we still have that here, which I think you get that benefit because it is a family business deal. So I think because we're so close and tightly knit that they understand that I have a family too that I'm trying to look out for and provide for and things like that. And so so sometimes you feel like you get a direct reward from the effort that you put in. The harder you work, the harder our team works, and the more successful we are, the more every employee is successful as well. And I really, really enjoy that.
The family dynamic in a company I think is great because a lot of my employees, they have the opportunity to bring ideas they have without all the red tape like in big corporations that aren't family ran. Most of my employees or anybody that works in the office really will come and say, hey, what do you think about this? Let's do this, or I have this idea, and we definitely hear them out.
At this stage, I think we're a medium-sized company with 50 employees here, and quite frankly, it's the employees that make this place run. They give their heart and soul every day.
The company, I think it's a great place to work at. They're very family-oriented, family-based. They really take care of their employees, and we all have fun here. We get down to business and work, but we have fun at the same time, so it's great.